طلبنا I'm Salim Natali. You're watching Fiji 7's HR.
This morning we'll be cooking tawai kai. We call it Fiji the tawai kai. So just put the flour, add some sugar. Mix the coconut milk. This is the coconut milk. I'm gonna mix this coconut milk. I'm gonna mix it with the flour. This flour is already mixed with sugar. So this is how we make the tawai kai. Man, where? We mix it like this. This is how it looks like. See this? It's like in the movie. And then you boil the water. See, the water is boiling. As soon as the bubbles comes up, then put the tupper inside, you know?
Sambutan na tawai. Kanan guwasu kana. Oh, wow, yummy! Yummy na tawai pak. Coba kamu wear.